inside 29. Feels a fair treating me if I. Ready. What up? Right. Let's get this started. Let's get this party on the show, man. Unsincerely. Move this a bit further. Oh, there you go. Right, Zoom, Telegram. Good morning. Welcome, squad. GJ Stokes cooking for the rest of the week. Beautiful. So, put that in there. London. Wicked. So let's put in the mentorship. All good. Morning, everyone. Let's put some tunes on. A little vibey. Oh, let's do this. Right, wicked.
Oh, hello. You must be here for your appointment.
Let me take this
Your honey
off.
appointment. I'm here to help you add honey to your browser in just 2 clicks.
Shut up. Right, what up, squad? Let's get this all going.
Good morning.
Good morning, my man. Good morning. Alright, so got this here. Beautiful. Now let's get some of the charts ready and then we can get going. Beautiful. Let me just put this over here. Right, wicked. So, morning everyone. Hope everyone is good. We're filling up nicely over here. Hello. Let's check where we are first of all on the subscriber count over here. I think we're nearly 975. Not too bad. Let's take a look at Forex Factory then for the news. Your camera is froze. Okay, 1 second. 1 second. There we go. Alright, wicked. What up, squad? Everyone in morning everyone in the Zoom as well. Make sure to send some charts in on the Telegram chat. So, morning. Let's have a look at the day. We are looking over here. Let me just get my annotation tools out. It looks like we have no news until 9:30, but that's when we normally finish. So we have the news at 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock. So we have the push between 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock, and then we leave it for the session. So we're all safe for news today, which is good. That is pretty good. So now let's take a look. Let's move this over here. Wow, GJ ran nicely yesterday. So let's just do a fresh analysis over here. Look at my TP1, TP2, and TP3 got smashed yesterday. It was pretty nice. So let's get rid of all this. Fresh analysis again. Let me get my drink. 50 people, amazing. 6 likes, amazing, guys. And yeah, we're just gonna do analysis. Great. So same thing we do every morning. The daily flip to show us on the lower time frames where price is on the higher time frames. 4 hour is flipping right now, actually very close to. We're right about here. This is the 4 hour. So you can see the 4 hour is bullish and the daily is bullish as well. But there's only just flipped bullish. So let's take a look over here. So it's had a big drop. Overall, we are quite bearish, I'm not going to lie. Let's take a look over here. So 30 minute, 50 minute, you can start to see that we have some resistance at this level. So I'm going to be looking for probably buys above this zone over here. So yeah, that works well. So buys above 15186 were looking nice for me. So let's do this. Buys above 151.183. Closures. Yep, so that'll be pretty easy to get some trades over here. And then for sells, which is what I probably prefer, because of how bearish we were yesterday, it'll be on the daily flips probably. So let's look at the 30 minute. Look at the 15. Yeah, so it has a little support. So probably sells will be round about this zone. It's got a lot of traffic towards here, which is a bit annoying. So safer sells are going to be below this area. But I still think with volume, you can get some sells below 800 over here. 150, 800. 150, 800 over here. Nice. And there we go. We just wait until the break. Easy. Bro, look at GA. Very nice setup. Oh, okay. We'll quickly look at this. GBP AUD over here. Let's take a look. So exactly the same thing as what I'm doing before. Start from the higher time frames over here. Wait, try and keep the. So, daily time frame over here, beautiful. Daily flip, nice. And then the 4 hour over here is right, still bearish as well. Beautiful. So we're coming down here, very, very bearish. Let's look at the 30-minute time frame. Ooh, so it had some support right about, right about this zone over here. Looks like we may be getting a closure below. Oh, and what targets over here? Well, we're going to look left for some targets. Looks like if we do break down, this is where price is right now. We should come back down to the lower support, which is right about here. And then continue even further down to probably these lows over here. There's one here as well. So these are little target zones. Let's look left then. In 2 minutes time, we are getting a closure below. This is the 30 minutes. So, I mean, potentially, if people like trading GA, if you wait for the top wick up and then drive down, exceeding the lows or the flip, that could be nice. You look at the zone to see if there's enough range, and there is 20 pips. So quite a nice setup for GA over here, but you have to wait for the next top wick and for this candle to close. If this candle closes back up here, it's not good enough. You have to wait. Good morning, squad. Beautiful. So if you're in the Discord, make sure to send some charts, and yeah, we'll get going. So GJ, we are still waiting over here. It's kind of just in a range, not the best setups for GJ today. Let's take a look at gold though. So exact same setup as every single pair. You just do the same analysis from higher time frame to lower. Make it easy for yourself. Here we go. So we've got the daily flip right here. We've got the 4 hour flip right here. So if this 4 hour flip does come, that could be quite a nice buys over here. Let's take a look at the higher time frame. So yeah, it could close below though, so it could just make a top wick to then drive down to this next zone. Very, very good potential. But at the moment, let's look at the 30 minute, the hourly. So the hourly could be making support over here. So for potential buys, you could do above this zone. Let's look at the 15 minute. Yeah, probably above 1740 potentially. So that'll be looking pretty nice. So buys above 1740.51. So that'll be looking pretty easy as well. And then sells are going to be later on, I think, for NY. So you don't have to look at sells really. The only kind of sell opportunity you could probably get is if you do get closures below here. And yeah, beautiful, very, very easy, solid thing to do. Nice. So make sure to like and subscribe to the channel as well if you guys are new here. And now all we do is wait patiently. So GBP AUD over here. Oof. So if this candle does flip, it could be a good potential. Now, where would your stops be? 16 pip stop. That's not too bad for a 18 pip gain. See how big this, because this candle over here, if this candle comes back in this zone and then starts to retrace and flip, then you're really rejecting the zone and it should continue down. So very, very simple. Morning, Abdul. Morning. Welcome, everyone. So yeah, this is quite a good potential over here. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. We got 5 people in the chat. Beautiful. Morning, 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 everyone. Morning, Tusha. Morning. So coming up over here, this is a nice top wick. I mean, if you do start flipping over here, it could be quite interesting. As I said before, I don't really trade GA yet. I'm still back testing it. So, but for people who do want to trade this, this is a beautiful setup. And I'll be paper trading it. Can you please check my zone practice chart? Sure thing, Sammy boy. Where is it? Is it up here? Oh, in the Telegram. Let me check. Let's take a look. So for gold, this is the zone practice. So this is exactly what I wanted him to do. I've told him, told Sam specifically to do this. So buys above 1740, beautiful, exactly the same as me. And then buys above 1743. That's the next zone. So from zone to zone, you've done amazing there. So that is a nice trade in zone. Got 30 pips over here. Sells the 4-hour flip. You're going to be looking for sells below 1730 to then drive down. Yep. It's too choppy over here for you. That makes complete sense. So for me, that's beautiful. Very, very easy. Very, very simple. You know exactly what you're doing when price comes to certain levels. Yeah, simple. And you got the 4-hour flip, you got the daily flip, and you got sells below the last low over here. So yeah, gorgeous. Very, very easy. Amazing, Sam. Really good work there, bud. Good work there, my man. Amazing. Exactly the same as mine, basically, for the buy opportunities in gold. So great. I don't know why yesterday my messages weren't showing on the chat. It's working today. Ah, hopefully it's working. Yeah, I think it is. Oh, maybe the Nightbot banned you or something, but I've saved it from doing that now. I told it to relax, man. Ooh, coming down over here. So as I said, I kind of want this daily to flip first, then look for sells. So we've got about 12 pips until we get to that zone, and then we can start thinking about it for sure. So that'll be pretty good. And yeah, we're just chilling. Lovely Wednesday morning over here. Wednesday, beautiful. So yeah, I also caught flu because of you. Mate, I feel a bit better today, man. I was fucking ill for like 6 days. I was bad on stream. I don't know why even you guys are here. Like, I was sniffling, I was coughing every 10 seconds. Come on, guys. 42 people here, 15 likes. Let's get that bitch up. Because, you know, the likes, what the likes does is it puts you on the recommended so you can gain a bigger audience, which is what I want to do. I want a huge people here. So make sure to like the stream, guys. Let's hit 30 now. Come on, I want to see 30. 30, 30, 30. Let's get going with the likes, guys. Come on. And then yeah, so this week we have taken how many trades have I took? I think I've taken 3 trades, 2 wins, 1 loss. The win was a 50 pip gold trade. The loss was a -6 pip GJ, and the win was a 28 pip GJ. And they all had the same amount of stop loss. So very, very positive day, a week already. And yeah. Good morning to all. Good morning, good morning. Amazing. And yeah, that's what we're doing. So, what else have I got in the bag? Oh yeah, so I yesterday, so what I realized I could do is I can Antonio was telling me that you can pair what's it called? Pair accounts. So what I've done is I've paired a new what's it called, fund and talent account with my with my IC markets, which is fucking sick. So I've done that, which is pretty cool. So now I'm just getting paid like double the amount, which is pretty nice. So I'm quite happy with it. You can see Connor's in the building. What's Connor looking for? He's hunting for some sells yet or what?
Hi mate, how we doing?
Not too bad, man.
Good man. Yeah, I'm looking for sells on GJ, to be fair. When we look at the daily, I can imagine it going like flipping bearish.
Yeah, man. Like,
and then when we look at the 4 hour, we've formed a nice resistance for price to potentially continue down to test up lows again. So I'll be looking for sales this morning.
Yeah, beautiful. Looks like a good idea. Looks like a good idea. Beautiful. Yeah, so this is the account that I just opened up yesterday. So as you can see, beautiful. Took the GJ sell yesterday, and yeah. So if this account finished right now, I'd get $35. But yeah, so now I trade on this one, and it trades on my IC markets as well. So now I'm just getting fucking paid double the whack. So that's pretty good over here. It's called Traders Tools, I think. Some social trader tools. That's what I've used. Morning, Max. Can you please check my zone practice chart? Thanks. What does that mean? Pairing, I mean. Oh, so basically I can. So this Fun and Talent account is a like a prop firm. You get paid for doing well, basically. So what I've done is I've paired it. So all the trades that I do on that account will be done on my live account as well on IC Markets. So now I have like basically just double the amount of money I make. Because that one gives me around about $35 per trade, and my other one gives me about, you know, well, I do 2 lots and 3 lots in the other one, so it's just added more. Yeah, it's pretty cool. You can just pair them. So some company just can pair them together, which is pretty cool. And yeah, wow, 51 people, 21 likes, amazing. So let's take a look. Did you catch GJ trade in the last NY session? Yes, I did. I caught GJ sells. It was also put in the mentorship group, so we all ate quite nicely and actually ran 100 pips, so that was pretty nice. Morning, Sharif. Morning. What software did you use to pair the accounts? Social Trader Tools. So Jayan has entered on GJ. Okay, hoping we break 1900. Okay. So the way you've said that, Jayan, is not something that I like. Okay. You have said. Okay. Specifically, I hope we break. Hope is not good enough in trading. You need confirmation. You need to know it's gonna work. So let's take a look at this chart over here. Because that's very, very true. If it doesn't break 900, then you're goosed. But hopefully it does. But waiting for a closure below is a lot safer. Right, let's take a look over here. Wow, 57 viewers, amazing, guys. Smash that like button. Let's get it. 50 likes already, guys. Beautiful. So look at Jayan's chart over here. He's getting in on the resistance forming with a 30-minute closure. Previous daily bearish, 4-hour retest, previous 4-hour week bearish. Nice. Yeah, I think that's good. I think it's a good thing. You got in at a nice time. I think for this point you should have your stop loss to break even. So Jayan, do you have your stop loss to break even? I hope so, because you're already up quite nice. You already got in here. It shouldn't come back and flip the candle now, should it? So make sure to do that. Brandon, how did you say that pairing was done? Didn't quite hear. Oh, sorry. Is the music too loud? Oh, I think it might be. 1 second. There we go. There we go. So basically, it's from Social Trader Tools, and like basically you log into the one you want to trade on, and then you pair it with another. It's just all on the website. Just go on YouTube. It kind of shows you. Oh, piss off. Why does it say 7 watching there, bro? There's no 7 watching. I got a bigger audience than that, boy. So, ooh, GPAUD has made the top wick. Got 90 minutes left. Perfect amount for the candle over here. Could be good. Was it going to also, but it's too toppy to waiting for clean areas to enter. Yes. So people trading GA over here. I mean, this is going to be nice. So I'm going to do an alert over here. Right about this area. So 735. I'll just do 740. Right about that area. So trading view is going to give me an alert if it just starts to flip here. It's got 90 minutes left of the candle. Quite a lot of time. But in 4 minutes time, if this candle over here, if this 50-minute candle closes back in the range, this is going to be called a fake out. And the good thing is that, you know, the way we trade in this group is we don't really get many fake outs because we're waiting for the top wick, right? So this is waiting for the top wick. So if it does close in this zone over here, then it's faked out. But I haven't entered yet until we flip. So that's really why we wait for top wicks and bottom wicks. Helps you dramatically. 63 viewers, 27 likes. Let's go, squad. Yeah, make sure to drop that like, guys. I want to hit 1,000 subscribers, man. Today would be good. I've also had my anniversary today with my girlfriend. 2 years. So, yeah. Pretty good. So yeah, pretty good over here. Nice. Tayan secured 90 pips, 90%, 14 pips. Beautiful. Looks good over here. Yeah, it's looking like we're coming down to flip the daily. Thank you, Brandon. Thank you, Tushar. Beautiful. 73 viewers, 32 likes. Let's go, guys. You still doing one-to-one mentorship? One-to-one for mentorships? No, we've just had the last five person join yesterday. So they are all entitled to an hour's worth with me. And yeah. But yeah, 33 viewers, amazing, guys. Make sure to smash this video. I watch a video on social traders, but does it require a PC? Yeah, probably. Actually, no, it doesn't. Just like if you have a tablet or a phone, it's just the same thing. Oh yeah, it will for MetaTrader. Yeah, because you need to give it your details and shit. I don't know, to be honest. You probably could do it on your phone. Can you show how did you find 158.08 on GJ? What do you mean? Like here? The 15-minute. So 30-minute doesn't look as good. 30-minute support's here, but you know the support is right on the daily. I'd rather be comfortable in looking at the 15-minute. So 30-minute this time should be here, shouldn't it? You probably think that. But I look at the 15-minute as well, and normally I like putting my lines with 15-minute candles because it just gives me a bit more oomph. Especially if it's lower down. So you can see here, support right here, support right here. Tap this zone, so this is the support. You know, not any higher up, because then if it's higher up and we try to get into some sells a little bit higher up, for example, let me just show you this. If we look at the 30-minute, use the 30-minute support right here, went to the 15-minute though, and try and take trades here, it's like, well, yeah, we could take a trade, but the issue is that when we get to here, we've on support, which is 2 pips away, so it could reject. So to make it safer, use either 15 or 30-minute lows. So the lows of both of either of them as the one you need to use. 1801. Yeah. 801, sorry. So yeah, that's why. So 15-minute, we always use the low of either the 15 or the 30s. So for example, above here, I've used 15 minutes, but is this 30 minutes? No. Can you see? It's not 30 minutes, but it's 15s. So I prefer using 15s. And the reason why I used this resistance instead of this one is because if we do get into trades right here, then we've got 2 pips until the next resistance, which is here. So I'd rather just be safer and have buys above all of it. You know, just being safe. So yeah, beautiful. 78 viewers in this chat, guys. If you're new here, just message me in the box if you guys are new. That's a good tip, using the 15-minute supports. Yeah, man. That's just how I've adapted to use it. Pretty good over here. So yeah, overall this week we've basically eaten like 100 pips, so pretty good. And a 1-6 pick loss, not too bad. Nothing much on, as I said, with news today. We've got some at 9:30, but as we say, we don't trade 9:30 news, so who cares, man? Guys, 81 viewers. Let's smash that like button if you're new here. I've got all my fucking merch as well, right? I've got my pre-market fuel. I got my trading hoodie that Raja got as well. Jeez. Let's put this up. This is too high up. There we go. You see me a bit more. Nice. 39 views. So look, guys, the 15-minute candle closed back in the range. Therefore, it is a fake out, and I doubt now price is going to flip The 30-minute is still valid over here. Hasn't exceeded the high, but in 40 minutes time, does it have enough time to flip and then push? I don't know. So yeah, I talk about this a lot on my mentorship, but it's basically about the timing of candles, and I'm going to go through that in the webinar this week. The timing of the candles is very, very important. Really, because like if there's like 2 minutes left of a candle, just wait until it closes, wait for the top wick, and then go. You know, you always have to look at the candle closures. Or for example, if you're trying to take a sell and the 4 hours only got 20 minutes left, you might want to go, oh, I'm not going to wait for this 4 hour to close because it needs to make a top wick. Like, you know, you need to kind of plan that. Oh, let me drink my tea, by the way. Look, I'm a proper Englishman today. Yeah. So yesterday I tried to take gold sells. I actually put it in the chat, but then I deleted it straight away. And I wish I fucking left it on because that shit ran. So what I looked at yesterday, we know volume comes in around about this time. We rejected over here. This candle closed below. Waited for the top wick, which is this one here. And then I actually took a, well, I put it in the chat, a sell exceeding the low. And then we drive down from 1733 to 1726, 27 area, which was a nice like 50 pips. Beautiful. So as I said again, you know, look at gold in the specific times. 1 o'clock, 1:15, 1:30 UK time. Beautiful area. So this is, I think, this is 8:15 AM to 8:30 AM. So yeah, and yeah, beautiful. So I was curious, how come you have an account with IC Market instead of just having an account at Fun and Talent and have it compounded? No, because I use the flexible on. I never used the challenge on Fun and Talent. I just have it. I've been using the flex one for like 8 months, but I said, but I've only I stopped it. I'm like, oh well, you know, if I'm profitable, I should use it anyway because it just pays me out every 2 weeks. But I'd rather have my IC Markets. Well, my IC Markets got a good amount of money in. It's just I can add more money, so why wouldn't I just do it? And to be honest, I'd rather do the Fun and Talent one because I can make trades on there. And then my IC Markets one, I don't have to look at the big numbers because my IC Markets is going to have bigger numbers than my Fun and Talent one because I've got quite a lot of money in there. So I don't want to look at the big numbers, so I just do it the Fun and Talent ones. If it breaks below 15-minute support you drew, you would take a trade as there's another support straight after it and the range is very small. Is this, Abdul, is this for GJ? Or what is this for? 156.5. Or could you wait for 656? Okay, this is so let's have a look over here. So if you get into sells at this point, nah, this is 17. This is 16 pip zone. This is fine. I'm happy with that. I mean, it is a bit choppy, but I do expect with volume, with London volume, to then start pushing through, which is good. That's hopefully what I'm going to be looking for over here. 41 likes, guys. Make sure to smash the like button. It really helps me. And subscribe if you're new. If you subscribe, you get automatically entered into the Magic Keys giveaway. So make sure you do that. So yeah, I'm going to be getting a wheel, name wheel generator. I'm going to put everyone that's subscribed in this bitch. Like this. I think I can paste it in from Google. And then we'll spin it 3 times, and then someone's going to win some magic keys over here. So if you don't know what magic keys are, this is it. On the screen version, pretty cool. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, boy. The aggressive model is cool now. Every 3 months, if you are profitable for at least 2, they'll add 20% of your balance to your account on the day they check. Ah, I didn't know that. Fucking hell. That's pretty good. That's pretty goody over here. 69 views, 70 views, beautiful. So GJ, yeah, it's kind of in this range, but as long as you identify the range, you'll be good. You'll be good over here. So, I'm liking the resistance formed. I'm not gonna lie, right about this level. Oh, did anyone watch the Champions League last night? I'm not gonna lie, Messi, you know, that was a pretty fucking good goal. I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty sick. Man City, though, I tell you what, right? Whoever watched the football last night, why the fuck is Foden not on for the whole game? Grealish, I don't rate him. I don't rate him at all. I fucking hate him. I don't rate him. I think he's shit. He's so slow on the ball. He grabs the ball. He looks at the guy. If he doesn't want to go past him, he just passes it. He's useless. Foden runs in. I think Foden's class. He came on that pitch and did more than Grealish did on that whole game. What model do you choose on Foden time? I use the flex model. Foden's class, yeah. Yeah, I use the flex model because I get payouts and just, yeah. Messi's goal was tough, yeah. Told Messi's gonna score. Fuck off. Ronaldo's still the goal. Ronaldo's playing tonight, so that's good. Yeah, I think it was a good goal actually. I think Man City they should have done better, but bro, I'm telling you, they need someone at the front. Like, why the fuck did Sterling play basically striker? He's tiny, man. You should be on the wings. Foden changed the game as soon as he came. Exactly, man. I don't know why. I hate this whole thing of, oh, he's young. I don't give a fuck. You know, he brought some energy into it. I liked it. It was fire. De Bruyne's runs as well. Holy shit, man. He was timing them runs perfectly. They should have bagged a couple of goals. Like, the keeper did pretty well. Also, guys, I want to kind of promote a bit, not promote a bit more, but I want to be able to, you know, post more on Instagram, and you guys like comment more, like comment and, you know, push it up in the algorithm. That'll help me. And just tag me. So, like, for example, someone over here, Michael's just tagged me. Just tag me like here. So make sure you tag me, like, just send a video of you on stream and stuff. I'd love that. I appreciate that. And like the person who's done it like the most in the next month, I'll give them maybe some magic keys, or I'll do something. So make sure to do that. I want you to tag me in the live streams. So go do that now. Go do that now on my Instagram. If you're good enough, you're old enough. Yeah, exactly. I don't get it. It's like, I don't give a fuck if he's like 12. If he can play like that, he's good. It doesn't make any sense to me. It's the same with like Ronaldo saying, oh, he's old. I'm like, well, yeah, he's also been drinking water he hasn't had any alcohol. He eats like a fucking, like, you know, he's got body of a 16-year-old. So look over here, going to be a fake out on the 30-minute as well. Which strategy do you use when trading? Morning. I use the beautiful strategy of price action. I use a beautiful strategy of support and resistance, closures above, closures below, wait for top wicks, wait for bottom wicks. It's a very, very easy strategy. It really is very easy. It's just the discipline that will fuck you in the ass if you don't do it. Are you looking for 10 pips? Yes, sir. Very much like Raja Banks. Very much like everyone, really. The new market mentality merch is so clean. Yeah, man. I'd go check them out. I rate this jumper. I wear this jumper all the time. It's pretty sick. Phone sick. And what way does the flex work on Fun Talent currently with FT Mo? But may look into it. So the Fun and Talent and the flex model is basically, so like, look, I'll show you. So where did I put that Fun and Talent thing? So I've only got a 25k account one because I just took it. One sec. I've had this for ages. But as you see over here, so if you go down, so you have drawdown rules, all that good, but look at me, I'm just too fucking good for this shit. I don't need that drawdown, bitch. Like my maximum daily drawdown normally is around about like minus, I'd say minus like probably 500 maximum on a day. I don't go anywhere near this, which is what it should be. You should take one loss a day and move on. But anyway, so and you get paid bi-weekly. So on the 11th, I'll get paid exactly what this is, the 10% of this. So at the moment, if it was the 11th right now, I'll get paid $35 into my PayPal or into my bank account. Okay. Then on the 25th, it'll look at the account again, and then it'll do exactly the same. It won't minus what's already been given me. It does the exact same. So that's why I liked it. So for example, on this, look, I make like 1.4% a day. So if you get a calculator, it's only about 1.4. I only average 1.4 a day. So times about by 5, only about 7% a week. Times that by times that by 2, so 14%. So if we do 14%, so 25,000 times by 0.14. Here's some maths for you guys. 3,500. So if I times this out, you get 10% of what you've made. So times by 0.1. That's $350 straight into my account on the second week. Now, towards the end of the month is about 28%. So 25,000 times by 0.28. Okay, that's how much I've made, and I get given the full 700. So in the total of a month, I've been given an extra £1,000 basically, or not £1,000, $950 into my account, and that's what I did for 8 months. And after 8 months, I've got an 8 grand account in my, you know what I mean, in my live account. So this is how I use funded talent for 8 months to gain my capital on the IC markets one. Okay. And that's why I liked it. I don't care about them giving me a real account, because I know so many things could go wrong, you know. If you have a bad week, then you have to pay more. Like, nah, fuck that. I like you paying me every single month a little salary. And obviously, if you want have more, you can have a 100k account. That's extra. As long as you're profitable, it works quite nicely. So yeah, if you guys do want to look into funded talent, make sure to use my link. That helps me out. I'm thinking about FTMO. Yeah, FTMO. As long as you can confidently do it. It's good over here. 92 viewers are here over here. Beautiful. So we're still waiting for GJ to break out. Gold as well, waiting for closures above, which looks like we could get them soon. The 4 hours flipped, so as you can see here, we made the low wick, hasn't exceeded the low of the previous. Should continue on over here. The only issue is that gold on the higher time frames is very bearish, and preferably it's going to be a lot better if we just wait for the top wick, and then through NY we get the drive down again to then come to resistance. That'll be a lot easier. You need to pay a monthly fee. Yeah, so the monthly fee is normally, they give you half of how much it normally is if you're like profitable. So if you want to take it out of your funds, it's normally like $35. That's alright. God, I'm just sneezing. I see some issue with MT form fund and talent. Yeah, I had like a little bit on gold, I think, like a couple months ago, but it's alright, I think. 46 likes, guys, amazing. If you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe. I haven't hit the subscribe thing today. I want to see the subscribe gif, man. If you guys haven't subscribed, what are you doing, man? Provide value every day. We haven't taken a losing trade on the stream in fucking donkey's years. Literally don't remember the last time I took a losing trade on the stream. I'm not gonna lie. Someone tell me when it was. I literally don't remember. Look good, we'll look into it. Yeah, boy. Breakout, then retesting, continuation. Yeah, so Kavamir, I think, is asking how I trade. So basically, this is kind of what happens every single day, mainly. Okay, obviously here's a bit chalked on GJ, but normally what will happen is, for example, if I'm looking for buys for London, obviously today it isn't going to look like this way, but I'll wait for the closure above. So imagine this candle, we get a closure above, beautiful. Then I wait for the low wick to form to then stop us getting faked out. When we start flipping, I can enter a trade. Beautiful. Get my 10 pips. Oh shit, UPAUD. 1 second. So yeah, I get my 10 pips. Beautiful. Just made 1.4%. Cracking for the morning. Then NY, we know between 9:30 and at 11:30 we start to range just like this. So I'm just gonna do it kind of like, obviously, but like, kind of like a barcode over here, like this, ranges. And what we'll probably do as well is it'll make some support, so it'll come down over here, make some support, normally on the resistance we've just broken, and then start to be NY session at 11:30 over here, and then we start getting support to form. And what I'll do is I'll wait for a support candle to form, I'll wait for the bottom wick, and then I'll buy again. And then there you go, that's GJ for the day, normally. And obviously this is just the opposite, but in terms of sells, exactly the same. And yeah, so for today, we are going to be looking, I'll just get out all my setups. We are going to be looking, oh, look at GJ, flying. So we're going to be looking for closures below today. This is what I'm looking for. So at this time, guys, we're coming towards nearly flipping the daily over here. This is good momentum, this is good volume. Look at the daily, it's going to be flipping very, very soon, which is what I want. Beautiful. So as long as we get a closure below the 15-minute over here, could be nice. The only issue I have is that, as someone said before, it's a bit choppy here. It's a bit choppy. But I still think there's good potential. So in the next 50 minutes, hopefully, let's take a look at GPAUD. Oh, so look at the hourly closing below. We flipped. This should continue now, guys, to the next zone over here. Beautiful. Let's look at the 50-minute. Nice. So we wanted before the 30-minute to make a top wick and flip and then exceed, and it didn't do that in its candle, but it did close very, very weak bullish. And it kind of suggests here this candle has rejected this zone. So where should it go? It should come to the next zone over here. Beautiful. Very, very easy. Simple, simple. How long have you been streaming live on YouTube? Probably like 4 months. No, sorry, not 4 months. 4 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, something like that. 5 weeks, I'd say. I think. Look at this, beautiful. This goes to TP here. This is a trade definitely called out, man. Entering on the hourly. The only issue is where would your stop loss be? I'd have it above the current, but 16 pips. Let's see if we can get the trade over here. Beautiful. So if it comes towards here, that's nice. That's the next zone as well. Oh shit! Look at GJ. Oh GJ, calm down, my boy. Look at the hourly. The hourly's just closed. Nice. For me, it might look even better to get some sells below here if we miss getting in. So, for example, I can't get in here, guys, because this is a support zone. So, if you took any sells here, this could be risky. This is impulses. I don't take no impulses, okay? I take good trades. So, we wait, and I'm going to look for sells below this zone over here. So, we might have to move. So now, as you can see, the daily has flipped. We've got a nice wick to fill. Made the top wick. Beautiful. Look at the 4 hour. Rejecting these highs over here. It should continue down over here. Make sure to subscribe, guys, if you are new here. I'm streaming every single morning. Haven't taken a losing trade on stream in a while. So let's not jinx that today, I suppose. So coming down over here. Nice. So now, as this zone gets tighter and tighter, I'm going to be waiting for sells below even further, like around here. So let's just fix this up. Beautiful. So Tayan, is your trade still in over here? That'd be nice. Look at this volume coming in. Holy shit. Ho ho ho! Steven, 10 pips on GJ, done for day. Wow, where did you get in? Here? Beautiful. I knew it was coming, but for me, my rules, I don't want to get in. I don't want to get in, especially with the support over here. But it looks nice over here. So hopefully in the next 12 minutes, we can get a closure below, make a top wick. So what I'm wanting here is just this. Next one to make a nice top wick in the zone. If it comes and flips the zone, then we should continue, and it is rejecting this zone. Then, I want the top wick up because it kind of suggests to me, if we're rejecting this zone, that we're going to just pop in to then continue to dive back down. If you guys have learned any knowledge as well, make sure to like and subscribe. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers. I would love it if we got it today. So please, just subscribe. I post daily content all the time. And yeah, beautiful. So we'll take a look over here in 11 minutes time. There's no impulse entries for me because I know patience and discipline. I do not take impulse entries because sometimes they won't work. Sometimes they will, but sometimes they won't, and it's not a high percentage probability. Whereas when we trade, we take good probability trades. And you know, if you go into our YouTube over here and we look at our past sessions. Oh, I don't want to look at Messi. Get off Messi. If we take a look, yesterday. We took no trades yesterday, but we did call out gold sells. The day before, we took out a beautiful trade over here, which actually ran. Let's try and show you. I actually didn't put it on the thing, but it was here, and it actually ran 50 pips. So beautiful, very very easy. Let's take a look for the day before. Was it a chalk day? Was it a chalk day? Yeah, another trade, another 10 pips over here. W's in the chat. I need to keep on putting trades taken after I've done it, but yeah, I don't know when I last took a loss on London, which is good, you know. It means I'm highly profitable over here. But as you see, I don't get into many trades, especially in zones. I want to wait for zone breaks, which could happen over here. Gold is breaking up. Wow, so it looks like some news is coming over here. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, gold is breaking up over here. Wow, so 10 minutes time, if we get a closure above here as well, that could be looking nice. Wait for the bottom wick and then to exceed over here. Nice, beautiful. Wow, 104 viewers, man. Jeez, the whole squad's here. If you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe. What are you guys doing, man? Amazing, 104 viewers. Amazing, guys. Chat's going fire. We're waiting for some buys on gold, waiting for some sells on GJ. Amazing. And yeah, we're just chilling over here, guys. So yeah, waiting for a closure at 50 minutes time on gold and also on GJ over here. GJ is running though. Holy shit. Damn, man. So 24 minutes left of the 30-minute candle. It's got a lot of time. So what we're going to be looking for zones to break. Oh, we have a little support here. Nice. So if you do break the support, where are we going to go? Look at these clean candles, man. Oh my god. Looking left a bit further. So the next kind of zone,
350 maybe.
Yeah, 350. I can
one.
see that. Yeah, I can see that right here. Beautiful. So yeah, 350 could be nice. That's like 20-30 pips away. That's beautiful. Oh my god, GJ. Oh my god. It's flying over. Beautiful. 8 minutes time for this closure over here. So for me, the only way I can get in now is waiting for a nice top wicket and exceeding the lows over here. But if this just starts running down, then I can't take the trade. But people who have got in this trade are up here. Wow, congrats. But the only issue was that a good trade to be in for the long haul? Was it a good trade to be in? Was it? Especially when you had huge supports here. Was it the best trade to be in? Is that going to work 80 times out of 100? Probably not. So just keep that wary, yeah? It's not about how the move happens. It depends on how many times that's going to work out of 10. I feel like gold is going to be fake out. So if you take a look at gold over here. Oh, shit. Well, you were right. Look at that. So this is a prime example for waiting for candle closures over here. Candle didn't close, and it's just rejected this zone over here. Wow, look at that pull down, man. Holy shit. 4 hours bearish now. Holy shit. Closures below the zone could be quite nice for some sells over here. GBP AUD still coming down. We talked about this. Actually, I can write this on the chat now. Trades talked about. GA sells. Beautiful. Just gave a shout on my Instagram story. Let's get you to 1k. You deserve it. Bro, I want 1k subscribers so bad, my boy. If you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe. I literally need like 18 subscribers or something. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. You get automatically entered into a Magic Keys giveaway. I'm giving away 3 Magic Keys. 3 online versions. So make sure to do that. 3 on-screen versions, guys. Wow, so came down over here. Beautiful. Still waiting for closures below 156.51 over here. So hopefully we can get that. If you guys have learned something today, make sure to like and subscribe as well. It really does help me out. Yeah, make sure to like. It gives me a new audience, gain some new people. So GU looking like it fell off a cliff. Yeah, GJ does as well, man. Damn. So 4-hour dailies bearish. Look at the resistance it formed over here. That's looking nice, man. And this 8 o'clock candle just pushed. It just flew. Could you not have took buys on GJ 50-minute? A top wick was created. What do you mean sells? I think you mean sells. So the reason why I did not take this trade is because I wanted to close below this zone. So look, this is support. This is support. This is pretty chalked. Yeah, it's alright, Jeffers. So this is the sell zone. This is the support zone, right? I wanted a closure below. This candle didn't close below, did it? So there is no confirmation for me that we're going down. Obviously now, you know, to everyone, it's a pretty good confirmation because you can see it's fucking sells. But for me, this candle over here is not confirmation we are leaving this zone. So if you can see from zone to zone over here, right? Let me just show you. Get rid of this. Right, this is a zone. And from here to here, this is a zone. This candle didn't close below the zone. Therefore, you know, what could have happened at 8 o'clock is this candle pulled down and then it comes and blasts off and starts making bullish buys in the zone. There's no confirmation. The confirmation I need is the closure. And we didn't get the closure. But if you ask how I could have got in, if things were a bit different, if this candle right here closed below like this and then made the top wick and then to exceed, then I would have been in. But we didn't get the closure below, so therefore I am not in. So you can see my rules are very, very tight, very, very disciplined, but that's why I have like an 80% win rate. So I don't take all the trades because I take the trades that are most profitable. You know, I'd rather take 5 trades a week, with an 80% win rate than 15 trades with a 60. So that's what I do. And if you do the maths, I make more money. So beautiful, guys. 56 likes, amazing. If you guys are new here, just tell me in the chat, how did you guys find us? After this big move, if you have a confirmation to enter a sell, aren't you worried that always you made a big move and it's more difficult to go on falling? This question here happens all the time. I got asked this question yesterday and the day before and the day before and the day before. It's a very, very good question, and this is a question that really shows me your psychology. So, after a big move, as in this move just happened, if you have a confirmation to sell, aren't you worried that it has already made a big move? Okay, and a lot of people do think this. And now the issue is with this is, you know, looking for sells, there's always going to be selling opportunities. For example, okay, let's take a look at gold, okay? Let's look on the higher time frames. So people saying that, you know, oh, it's already sold quite a lot, you know, be careful. Let's see, let's go up over here. So, I mean, Control FX just did a video on this on Instagram. So, sell off here. People are like, oh, well, you know, it's already sold off quite a lot now. You know, we may not want to. Another sell. So, you know, as you can see here, someone here probably be like, right, we're coming towards support now. I might take a buy because, you know, we've already sold quite a lot. And there might not be no sellers in the market. Another sell, okay? Oh, but, oh, it comes up a little bit. Well, we've already had a lot of sells. We could be making some buys here. Another sell, okay? And you can go down this chart and it'll go further more. Down, 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 down. There's always more room, I'm telling you. As long as the 4 hour, so let's take a look at GJ's 4 hour over here. Let's just measure it. Because I did this yesterday as well. So let's take a look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour over here has moved 58 pips. Now let's take a look at some 4 hours around it. This 4 hour candle, 117. So actually, it's still got, you could do that move double and still be the same length of this one. Let's take a look at this one. 92, bigger. So you can see a lot of candles are actually a lot bigger than ours. So don't be worried about taking sells. If candles are printing but bearish, don't think of your psychology as this. It's the best price. It's the best time to get in a sell if price is moving like this. I'm telling you, it's so easy to get 10 pips. So, you know, knowing that factor, try not to think about, oh, well, we've already moved quite a lot over here. What about maybe just waiting? It's like, nah, if candles are printing bearish and there's a lot of volume, trust me, you can get 10 pips over here. So we are getting this closure. No bother, Andrea, no bother. So we're getting a closure in a minute's time. Coming down over here. How much have we got left? 19 pip zone. That's not too bad. Wow, people getting into them sells early. Damn. One has quite a different chart. No clear resistance at 157.50. Ah, oh shit, I'm moving FXCM again. I don't know why. I normally use Oanda. I might get in for gold sells. Let's take a look over here. Ooh, yeah. Do we get the closure below? Oh, we might get the closure below. So, ooh. So the only issue is the daily is bullish, but it is quite weak. And we are closing below support, hopefully in 16 seconds time. It looks like we've missed GJ over here. It's pushing way down too much for me to get a nice entry above. So I might just leave GJ for the time being. I still think sell's gonna be nice, but for me to getting into an entry, it's gonna be a bit harder if it already pushed down quite a lot. I close full at 10 pips. I don't leave runners, but damn, GJ still dropping. Bro, leave a runner, especially with this volume over here. Leave a runner on, man. 58 likes, guys, amazing. If you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We are on now 980 subscribers. Come on, guys, 20 more, please. I want to get it today. Bro, I just might fucking open up some fucking some new YouTube accounts and just fucking subscribe to myself. Bro, I need that 1,000. It's got my vision board, man. Got my vision board on. Yeah, 15 minutes closed, nice. If you enter right here, where is your stop loss going to be? Your stop loss going to be up here? That's 39 pips. Fuck that, okay? The only way you could possibly get into a sell right now is waiting for a top wick, which is hopefully around about 10 pips, which is about this zone, and then to drive again. And that's the only thing I might look for if we make a nice 10 pip stop. So round about this level over here, 600. Because what will this do is kind of confirm we're leaving the zone to then drive further. But getting into sells right here on exceeding the lows is not enough for me. I need a top wick. I need a nice top wick. Gold got no bottom wick. Got no top wick, you mean? Here. It's got a bottom wick here. Let's take a look at gold actually. I might be interested in this bitch. Yep, so with gold, we've got closed below. I'm happy to take some trades over here. So as long as gold makes a nice top wick over here and then exceeds the low that's just made, I may enter. Let's have a look at the yeah, 35 pips all the way down to the lows. But yeah, 30 minutes left. Still got 30 minutes left of the 30. But if this runs off, that's fine. But we know, probability-wise, it's going to make a top wick. So people who are new here, the reason why I'm waiting for top wicks and stuff is because it makes me get a nice entry and a nice stop loss. But also, look at all the candles around. How many candles have a top wick and a bottom wick? If you do the maths and you do the data, it's normally 85%. So if I take a sell right here, I'm putting myself in a bad probability situation straight away, because I know 85% of the time we're going to make a top wick. So if I take a sell here, I know I'm going to take at least some drawdown 85% of the time. So why would I do that? There's no need to, man. 63 likes, amazing. If you guys have learned something today and are new, then welcome. Let's take a look at Discord over here, see if anyone's taking it. I'm going to do some updates on Discord. I've already started putting in some things for CSGO, which is pretty cool. So let's have a look at charts to stream over here. Oh, we got a lot today, nice. So, beautiful. Looking for sells below 600, that's nice. So you'll be looking to enter very, very soon over here. Nice. So you had your ranges, you waited for your breakouts, and now you're doing it. Oh, we got a subscriber. Heffron, thank you for subscribing to the channel. Amazing, guys. Thank you for subscribing. Come on, let's get 20 subscribers. There must be 20 people in here who haven't subscribed. That'd be amazing. Yeah, that'd be good. So, you know, the reason why I want to kind of hit today is because it's a big day for me today. So I got an anniversary for my girlfriend, 2 years, and I basically did a mood board over here. Where the fuck is it? I'll get it in a second, but I did a mood board. Of what? No, not mood board. A vision board of what I wanted to achieve this year. And one of them was 1,000 subscribers. One of them was 2 years anniversary. One of them was getting payouts for the talent, which I did fucking months ago, and getting my PC. Because as you can see here, I have a fish tank of a PC. There we go. And yeah, I've basically done all of my things already. And I wanted 5,000 followers on Instagram. So if you guys haven't followed my Instagram as well, make sure to do so. Yeah, beautiful. So very, very nice. We're still waiting for the top wick over here for gold. And yeah, we'll still wait over here. Nice. So still waiting for top wick. 10 minutes left. I may wait for the 30-minute closure now, because I still want the top wick to form. So I still want the top wick, and I still want the 30-minute to close below. So it's going to be a lot better for me to wait for a 30-minute closure below. Let's take a look at GJ again. Nice, just making this top wick over here. Beautiful. Making the top wick. Just going to wait for the 30-minute closure for gold. Yeah, me too, Bruno. Me too. Beautiful. We've got 8 people in the Zoom as well. Amazing. Max, have you sorted out Nightbot? Yeah. He's good now. He ain't gonna kick anyone. What ever happened to the Friday Q&As with Pipstar on Friday? No, he just, you know, I wanted to keep on doing that with him, but he doesn't post a lot. Like, you know, it feels like a two-way thing. Like, he doesn't post anything on Instagram, so it feels like it's just like, you know, I'm posting fucking like 2 Instagram videos a day, like 20 stories. He's posting nothing. Like, it's kind of like he's probably gaining it a lot more than me. So it's like I'd rather do it from someone who's on my level, basically. Not level as in trading, level as in like work rate level. So yeah. So look at this, waiting for the top wick over here, coming towards it. Nice. But in 9 minutes time over here, if this candle doesn't close below this zone, then we are respecting the support over here. I'm just going to focus on gold over here because this is quite interesting. 8 minutes time. Ooh, let's see. 67 likes, guys. Make sure I like that bitch. Like that bitch up, man. But we'll see if you get this closure in 30 minutes time. 8 minutes time. Beautiful. So what we're going to do for NY, we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to come at 11:30. I'm also going to do a simulation with the mentorship today. We're going to do a GJ for like an hour long. So if you guys do want some mentorship and need some help, we do simulations every week. We do webinars every week. We do NY private session. We do Zoom for London, and yeah, I basically smash it on there, and also signals. So but yeah, literally we just do this every single day. Would you be down to buys if we fake out? Buys on GJ? Or what? I don't think there's any buys for anything, to be honest. I won't be taking a buy in anything. How do you watch previous webinars? You go onto Telegram, like this. You go to, unfortunately they're not labeled, but it's alright, just go through all of them. You know, I want you to watch all of them anyway. Let's have a look, not this one. This one over here. You go here, you go to videos, and then there you go. Start watching these bad lads. Psychology, I'd really recommend. Then go for all these. So some of them are weekly outlook, some of them are recaps. Here's risk management webinar, very solid. Weekly outlook, the hourly gold simulation. So this is in all of this stuff is in the space of 2 weeks. Just about 2 weeks. Beautiful. Let's take a look over here. But no top wick with GJ, just a little one. Close below this level though, and we go. Beautiful, Tom. I hope Tom got that trade. GJ pulled gold pulled up. Nice. Yeah, on GJ. No, I'm taking. Come on, Brandon. That's a big mistake, man. I'm not taking no fucking buys. If this closes in here, I'm not taking a buy, bro. Doesn't mean it can't start ripping down. It's just like for me, it suggests it fakes out. But I'm not gonna. I keep on the higher time frames over here. The higher time frames, what are they showing me? The higher time frames are bearish, so I'm not touching buys on GJ. Okay. When will you enter GJ? Potentially, I'm gonna wait for this 30-minute closure. If this closes below, then I could take a celery on the 15. We'll have to see over here. Wow, amazing. But one thing I'm looking at is kind of gold more. If we do get the closure below in 5 minutes time. So the closure, I kind of want the closure in the 30 as well. So kind of like this zone. If it does close below, I'm still happy. Let's look at the 15. But I'd rather have it on the 15, so I'm just gonna leave it on the 15 over here. 78 views, amazing. When we enter, I wouldn't. Don't worry, just saw it in the tier list video as a setup. Oh shit. Okay, yeah, it wasn't a set. So this tier list. So this is what Brandon's talking about. So you're talking about this one over here. Now, well, there's two things you just missed here, Brandon. Look. I only enter trades like this if the 4 hour is in my bias, flipping into it, and the daily is in my bias. Both of them are not in my bias, so that's why. So yeah, remember that. 4 hour daily flip. I only take this kind of setup if the 4 hour and the dailies are in my on my side. Would you enter both gold and GJ? Probably not. I'll just focus on one. I'll just focus on one for sure. Oh god, how many people are we subscribed to, bro? I want that 1,000, man. It's been so. To be fair, it hasn't been long. I fucking started live streaming like a couple of weeks ago. 984 guys. If you guys haven't subscribed, fucking smash that button. Amazing, guys. So it's only 8:25. We've got a lot of time over here, but it looks like we're not going to get the closure below on gold. Looks like GJ over here just chilling 4 minutes time. See where it closes. If this closes weak, so if this closes like this, so a long wick, shitty body, oh, but obviously it'll be white. So 1 second. So long wick, and then a little body, like here, long wick. Then if the next one exceeds the low right here, I could take an impulse with stop loss above. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. GBP AUD still coming. Hit TP1 that we talked about. A nice gold, celery or onion play, whichever is based on the 15-minute. Yeah, but to be honest, I kind of want, if I'm looking at gold, I want this price to close below 1737, because this is closing back in the range over here, and it's quite a big, strong bullish candle. Don't you like that? And also the 30-minute is not closing below, so it kind of suggests to me that this zone right about here is big support, because look how many times we've tapped it. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, couldn't close below, so it just suggests there is some support over here. Can you share those pics to us, lol? Oh, these ones. Yeah, I'm going to be making a Google Drive on there so you guys can see them all. And then I'm just going to put the Nightbot so you guys could go and see them. So this is the one I don't take. This is the only trade I don't take. This one, impulses. But the rest, I am pretty good. This one's a very, very good setup. This one is a perfect setup. So yeah. That's all it is. These are literally all the trades I take. The trade setups. Very, very easy. Very, very simple. So yes, sir. 69 likes, guys. Amazing. If you guys haven't liked the stream already, make sure to like it. Let's try and get it a bit higher than 69, guys. Beautiful. And I think we're on 700 and 984 subscribers. Oh, we're so close, man. We're so close, man. So yeah, beautiful. Nothing really much over here for me. I'm still looking for GJ, but it depends how much it pulls up over here. So this could be a fake out. A fake out on GJ. We'll have to see. But look at this 5 minutes struggling actually over here. This could be quite good. Let's get my Telegram up just in case. So how much zone to the next support if we do get in here? 15 pips, not too bad. Wow, look at this pull up. So for me, the reason why I can't really take any trades now on GJ is because like this stop loss is way too big. Like I might have to wait for another 15 or 30, but it looks like we're not going to get the closure on the 30 minutes. So for example, if this candle closed like this, a lot more confirmation to then continue down, but it didn't. So, or it isn't, in fact. And same for gold over here. So you can see we don't get faked out in this bitch, I'm telling you, because we wait for the top wick and then the drive, and if it doesn't happen, we don't get in. Both examples over here of waiting for top wicks and stuff. Ah, my nose. Are there any changes in market behaviors as we approach the end and beginning of the day of the month? Yeah, I think you could say probably the volume goes down towards the end of the month, but it doesn't really affect me. Another session of GJ being GJ. Nah, getting in early was there good, but for me that's my discipline rules, and hell no. My discipline rules are sound as a pound. It's all about that. So close back in the range over here, so for me there is no trade. Let's take a look at GBP AUD. Nice, coming down. So it was in a little range, but now it's broken below, and yeah, it's going pretty solid now. Actually, on the mentorship on our private NY session, we were looking for sells below this zone, and we got it. I think we got it on the 30 minute and the 15. Yeah, here. So we had support right at this zone. This candle kind of closing on it could have entered on the top wick and then flipping, or wait for this closure and the top wick and the flip. Happened at 12 o'clock, beautiful time. So GPAUD, I am very, very tempted to take some trades soon. Max, how is the situation with gas oil in the UK? Is it that bad as they are telling in the news? I think it is quite bad. Thing is though, in our fucking crib, we don't mind because we've got electric cars, man. We run around on Teslas, so it doesn't affect us. We've got electric cars. Literally the whole drive's electric. The garage ain't no. The garage still got V12s in that bitch, but yeah. The run around cars are all electric, so we don't really care, to be honest. But I think it is quite bad. I'm pretty sure I've seen a lot of people complaining on Instagram and shit. Oh snap! Look at that. So guys, I want someone to tell me in the Discord or in Zoom, what does this candle show? 1 second. This candle right here. So what did it do? It exceeded the high of the previous and exceeded the low. What does this show? It should be one word I talk about all the time. Someone tell me. It's fine if you're wrong. Just tell me. Someone in Zoom or someone in YouTube. What does this candle show? Indecision. Bruno is a fucking G. Good lad. Indecision. It's indecision. It doesn't know where it wants to go, you know. It went down, it went up, exceed the highs and exceed the lows. Indecision is the word I was looking for. But yeah, all of them other words that everyone used. Yeah. Volatility. Yeah. Volatility. A lot of volatility. But the main thing is indecision. Doesn't know where it's going. Bruno, that was a fucking dub for you, bro. Also, guys, I'm gonna be posting some things on Instagram today. Oh, sorry. And I gotta appreciate guys, you know, commenting on them and you know, commenting on the post and saying stuff that'll really help with Instagram and stuff like that. So yeah. Oh, look at this! In an hour's time, if this closes above, ooh, snap! Amazing over here. GJ still playing over here, so it's made it slow now. Please take care of yourself. I do take care of myself, man. I'm just very, very ill. Charts for the stream. Let's take a look, capital guy. Let's take a look. So Steven got his 10 pips over here. Oh shit, we got a lot today. Wow, so everyone got into this. Is EJ over here. Yeah, nice. Closure back to the zone. Nice, tasty. GJ sells. Oh, that was where your zone was. Nice. Very, very tasty. Beautiful. So support formed with Asian. Kind of close bearish. Yes, you were happy to take it. I just didn't like this zone, but the daily flip pretty nice. Target hit 50 pips. Beautiful. Very, very good. Beautiful trade over here. Smashed it. I don't know why my bot keeps on doing it at 9 o'clock at night. It's fucking annoying, but anyway. Wow, look how much it pulled up from them lows over here. I mean, damn. 32 pips. Jeez. 12 pips on GA is like 6 pips on GJ. Stupid. Is it? Why? What? As in like actual money? Is it half? Is it half what it is? I did ask someone that, and someone said that no, it isn't. So yeah, obviously through NY, I'm going to be going through the NY session live with the mentorship group. If you guys do want to join, I'll put the link here. If you guys have any questions about it, also ask me. And yeah, beautiful. 69 likes, beautiful, amazing. 79 viewers. So we do this every single day, you know, every single day. We turn up, do the exact same thing. Oh, is it? Yeah, I thought it would be for GA. I think, yeah, it's like half, isn't it? Oh, that's put me off it a bit then. That's fucking shit. I thought I was going to be milking some pips over here. Oh my god, look at this. Let's look at the daily. Yeah, this is looking nice over here. Looking nice. In 9 minutes time, if this gets close above, ooh, could be nice. Next zone is like up here. We could see if you could get a trade over here. Wait for a closure above. In GJ, with your rules, could you have entered a sell and watched the reaction to support and put a stop loss faster break even? Yes, I could have, for sure. I could have done that, but for me, where was it? Let's take a look. So getting into trade, it would probably be on exceeding the low over here. Yeah, look, it's like 3 pips. It's 2 pips. Not worth it for me. I like put my stop loss to break even at around about, you know, 6 pips, and for me, I'd rather just not get in the trade. But yeah, you're right. If I had a bit more time to think about it, I could have maybe put my stop loss to here for the drive and expecting the London volume to push it. Yeah, so that's something that you could maybe implement. Capital guy W's in the chat. So 8 minutes time, wait for a closure above, which will, ooh, but 30 minute looks fucking garbage. The hourly looks nice though, but we'll see if we can get a closure above. Yeah, do you want to have a look at, do people watch Messi's goal? Oh, it was pretty fire, I'm not gonna lie. That back pass from Kylian Mbappe was pretty good. Actually, I'm gonna get copyrighted for it, aren't I? Fuck that. Copyrighted, boy. 984 was so close. So 7 minutes time. Max is forcing trades now. What? I haven't taken forcing trades. I'm the only person in this chat who hasn't fucking taken a trade yet. Now, if you get a closure above, I'm liking. But yeah, as I said, the 30 minute is looking pretty chalk, so probably not, but we'll see. We will see over here. But yeah, we had a cracking stream. We've done a lot today. This has been the biggest stream as well. We've had over 105 people, concurrent viewers. Damn! 105, holy shit. If GJ 1 hour candle closes bearish below the range, do you look at it as a wick fill on the next hour candle? Yep, but the only issue is what I've said, you know, what I preach all the time is GJ's volume drops off, okay? And also, news is coming at 9:30, so fuck that shit. We don't know how this comes out. You know, this could be quite bad or good, whatever. But GJ as a whole, so let's just back test. I think yesterday was an exception, but I'll go further. So let's take a look over here. Yeah, so look, price comes up 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, beautiful. 9:30 here, 9:30. Look what it does. 9:45, 10, 10:15, 10:30. It ranges, and then look what happens. I come back to the charts at 12 o'clock. Oh look, 12 o'clock breaks some volume. So, you know, you need to identify when there's volume and where there isn't. This is the not time to trade, and this is between 9:30 and 11:30. I don't trade. I go and play CS:GO for 2 hours. I go and play on my game for 2 hours. Have you ever traded US30? Nope, never traded it. Never put a trade on it. I probably did when I was younger, but not now. Don't know how that shit moves, man. Need to back test it for a long time to take trades. Do you wait for both 30-minute and 50-minute to close outside the range, or just the 15? Depending on the circumstance, but if 15 is a good enough confirmation for me, then yeah, it's fine. But for example, if a 15-minute closes above or below, so for example, let's just take an example that we close above on the 15. If we make the lower wick, but it takes a lot of time and then starts to flip, it's only got 3 minutes left of this 15-minute candle, which is also 3 minutes left of the 30, I'll just wait for the 30. So it really depends on the timing of the candles. Very, very important. But yeah, if there's like 5 minutes left of a 30-minute candle, I won't fucking take it. I'll just wait until the 30-minute candle closes, because I know the 30-minute candle is then got to make a lower wick to then continue up. So yeah, very, very systematic rules over here, but yeah, that's how it is. So it's a bit of both. Yeah, I'm just going to quickly go to the toilet, guys. talk away to yourselves. Oh my god, I tell you what, wearing these headphones for like fucking 9 hours a day is really starting to hurt me now. I'm gonna have to get some new fucking kit. Gonna get some AirPods in this bitch. So let's take a look at gold over here. Oof, rejected again, didn't get the closure above. So people trying to take some impulse entries over here would have got slapped twice. So, you know, very, very important to wait for a closure. If you don't know what a closure is, it's just this. It's just waiting patiently to get a closure, which probably, oh shit, this is not going to be blue, but anyway. Closure like this. A closure is when the body closes. I don't care about the wicks, the body closes above resistance. Because if you look here, this candle came up, couldn't close above, this candle couldn't, so. Gold is teaching lessons. Very, very true. Gold is teaching lessons today. Facts. Don't take impulses, you pussies. Because it will eventually will ruin you, and you'll be like, oh, fuck's sake. You take a lot less trades with the impulse, with no impulses, but you have a lot more winning trades. But if you do the maths, you want to take high probability trades and less of them. So if you guys did learn something today, tell me in the comments and tell me how you guys found me, where you guys also from. People who don't know me, who've just joined, because I know a lot of people have just joined, guess where I'm from. Take a guess. Take a wild guess. And people who know, don't tell them. So GBP AUD still chilling over here. Gold is still doing its thing. Can I give a hint? Yeah. They probably won't know the hint, to be honest. Scunthorpe. Is that where fucking Tiny Tempest from? I'm into Scunthorpe. That's a banging song, that. Oh, my tea's fucking cold. It happens every single stream. Jamaica! Your blood cat! I wish I was from Jamaica. Jamaica's a vibe. I'd put some fucking... I'd put some Bob Marley on this bitch. No, actually, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'll put one Bob Marley song on because I like vibing to it, and I can just take the copyright off, so who cares? Let's get some Bob Marley in this bitch. Ready? comes up. I like this. I just vibe with this song all day, man. Yeah. 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 Ooh, getting a closure above over here. Read promoters. I got the baddie from Jamelis, but I ain't switched the motors. I got these badass bitch running around this bitch named all the coders. Yeah. I just told her make a story. So guys, as I've said again, you know, normally we trade, but look, it looks like you get the closure above on this, but if you look left, we've got a resistance. So what's the point in trying to get into a trade here when we have a resistance? So wait until you get a closure above 3, 4, 5, 4, 6. I just told up into fools. Too many cats that you woozing. Between watches and I'm still snoozing. Bodies like Bruce Lee. So daily and 4 hour are bullish, but is this just the retest? So comes up here, makes some resistance, and then starts to dive down again. Down that nice, she must be fucking with Ghana. Yeah, 6 minutes time. Yeah, capital guy, I'm just waiting for waiting 6 minutes time for it. Feeling rich this week, to afford my family and not be cheap. 72 likes. If you guys are vibing on a Wednesday morning, make sure to like the stream. Let's get it to 80 likes. We can do that. We can do that. You should have buy it up, but don't cheap. Yeah, I'm in New York trying this money. Oh, holy shit. But what if you know lovey-dovey? Yeah. 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 6 minutes time, come over, get his closure. On her jeans, I know she fucking with thousands. Yeah, yeah. Hopefully something like this I'm looking for sure. And I will take this trade. What do you guys think a Jamaican looks or sounds like? There's black and white, so like their skin color is black and white, and just like Jamaican, like I don't know, like just vibing. Just like, oh fuck off, just like someone who just looks like they're baked constantly, basically. I'll play this song as well. You bomber clat. You are bomber clat. Wait, I swear there's a fucking me. Wait, oh, let's see if I can find it over here. It's like Arsenal TV. It's like Obama bomber clat. Oh, not Obama. Is he called Obama Yang? How the fuck Obama Yang? Arsenal. I can't even spell Arsenal. Fucking hell. Oh, there. This is it. Oh, this is no. Wait. No, that was the old one. He's done a new one. Oh, piss off. Why doesn't it let me go back? Oh yeah, this is it. Look at this.
Brought to you by Manscaped.
Wait.
Is that right? You ain't going home, bro. You ain't going home. North London Derby troops. What a brilliant performance that was today.
Obama who? Obama what? Obama
Oh god. Oh shit, we're pulling down over here. Nice. Okay, let's get this fucking shit tunes on again. Ah, I fucking hate copyright. It's a load of bullshit. The who? So 3 minutes time we're getting a closure. Nice. Is the hourly, so you know, no rushing. I kinda wanna wait for the top wick to then drive down again. But it's good we're rejecting this zone over here. Nice. So I'll be waiting, yeah. We'll be patiently. It's a fib play on the 5 minute. Ooh, fib. Let's see over here. Let's see if I can do some fibs. Let's see. I bet you, right, because my charts look so clean and it's nice and easy, if I actually made it look like this, wait 1 second, fib. Wait, is it like this? No, it's not like that. Is it like, this? Ah, yeah, look, the golden zone, or whatever the fuck it's called. Yes! Yes! Right, I'll tell you what, look, I bet you I'll gain like 1,000 subscribers if I just did this, right? So let's just do this, let's go on indicators, let's go on, why is that fucking PC fucking lagging? Hello? What are you doing, man? Oh, I can't do it. The indicators are fucking broken. Oh, here. So let's do this. MAs. Let's put some fucking 200. Wait. What the fuck? Oh, on financials. Yeah, so I'll gain like 200 million more subscribers if my charts look like this. This. Yeah, now I look like a trader. Look at this. Now I look like a proper trader. Look at this. Oh my god. So coming down over here, nice. Delicious. So, but the thing is, you can't rush in. We need to wait for the hourly to make a nice top wick over here, and hopefully it's around about 10 pips, and then we can flip. Now sell? Nope, because where would your stop loss be? If you sell here, your stop loss is going to have to be 35 pips away, and fuck that. Or it's going to have to be 26 pips away. There is no time for me to get in at the moment. You have to wait. So what I'm waiting for here is this candle to close in 50 seconds time to then make the top wick, hopefully around about this area, probably like here, and then to drive down, and that'll be the entry candle, and that'll be the trade of the day. Let me just record this just in case we do actually take a trade over here. There we go. So yeah, as I said, wait for a closure in 30 seconds time, wait for the top wick, wait for the exceeding the lows over here, and I may take a trade. And yeah. Tommy Boy got a nice trade over here.
Yeah, running good.
Beautiful. Yeah, it's still running. Did you get in on the 50-minute low salary play?
Yeah.
Nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, that looked pretty clean, to be honest. Breaking down them. Nice. I mean, yeah, for runners over here, it's looking pretty good. It doesn't have a bottom wick. Not really asked of here. I just want the top wick up. Because it's the close of the hourly. But as long as you got this close, so you got in around about here, 6. Yeah, you could be good over here. Oh, mate, if it does something like this, definitely potential 149262 for sure. What's your average win rate, Max? Probably like 80%, I think. About 80%. Especially on streams over here. If you actually look at all of my London streams, it will be 80% for sure. I think I've probably taken losses from the past month. I think I've probably taken losses less than my hand, so 5. I think I've probably not even taken 5, to be honest. I think probably 4 on London stream. Because London, normally I don't really take that many trades at London because it's normally quite impulsive, as we see here, and I like closes, but when it does have a nice closure, I mean, and it normally does work very, very nicely over here. So yeah, I'm going to wait for this top wick because of the hourly. Yeah, the hourly didn't close with a wick, but for me, that doesn't really affect me. I'm not really too arsed about it. I don't know why people get so pissed off about it. It's like, well, yeah, it just had so much bearish momentum that it closed on the lows. That's fine. As long as I wait for the top wick and the flip, I still don't care. I'm still going to enter. It's if the candle right now doesn't have a top wick or bottom wick. This candle's closed now, so I don't give a shit. So now we are making the top wick over here. Hopefully it's around about 10 pips, like this area. If it's a bit higher, then I probably won't take a trade. But yeah, around about 10 pips over here. Yeah. So yeah, we're going to be doing the GJ simulation today at 4 o'clock in the mentorships. That'll be pretty fun. We'll go through last month's. Yeah, they kind of give you kind of time zones, and then the webinar today this week is actually going to be about time zones. It's going to be timings of candles as well, so it's going to be pretty good. It's going to be an interesting one because timing, I think people forget about, and it's all about the timing. You know, getting into a sell here now when it had 29 minutes on the clock is not the best, because you know you're expecting price to push down when it on the full 29 minutes of the candle. Is that really going to be worth it? No. So you have to wait to make the top wick in the first 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then to start driving down. So let's just get a GJ thing. I'm just gonna try and get up a GJ trade over here, see if we can get one. Sorry, fucking hell. So for me, if this comes up any higher, I probably don't want to enter, because at the moment that is about 10 pips. So if it comes up any higher, I'm going to leave it, because I don't want to take any trade that has a bigger stop loss, to be honest. But looking for continuation on the left over here, we have the next kind of support right around this zone, 124. So that's going to be looking nice over here. And then furthermore, as I said in the 4 hour over here, we can really start to push down to these lows, which would be huge. Probably the where I'd look for is 149990. So let me just change this, 149.915. Tasty. So yeah, this is enough for me. If we do start coming down and flipping this candle over here, I'm gonna have a sell stop right at this point to flip in, because I got a nice 10 pip stop. I am gonna delete the this sell stop if we come any higher, to be honest. I'm just gonna leave the session because I don't want to take a big stop loss. Oh shit. Oh, fuck off, man. There we go. So post that into the group, sell stop. I think this is a good opportunity to continue. We got the closure we wanted. Very, very good confirmation over here. So, yeah, very, very happy. What's it about? 460. Yeah, nice. Oh, fuck off. Oh shit. Okay, I'm gonna enter a trade over here. Nice. Oh, I can't enter. Why the fuck's it not letting me enter? No, I'm gonna miss it. Oh, fuck off. Oh, why is it not letting me enter? I've obviously done something wrong on the magic keys. Fuck's sake. Anyway, yeah. Beautiful. I can't get in this fucking trade now. It's a pain in the ass. But this looks like a good opportunity now. We've flipped. We should continue over here. I put it on, so people should be in. So let's take a look over here. I flipped the candle, beautiful. Trying to exceed. Got a nice 10 pip stop, which is what I want. And hopefully we should continue down. Very pissed off. I can't get into this trade, to be honest. But what can you do? I wonder why. Let's take a look over here. Let's take a look at this magic keys again. Oh, don't you go a TP before I can enter, you fucking piece of shit. There we go. Okay. So yeah, 8 minutes left. This candle should come over. Let's see how we're going to manage risk over here. So I'm actually going to close. Oh shit. Well, I'm not even in this trade, but I'm actually going to close 50% towards. Ooh, actually, can I even take 50% off? Nah, I'm quite happy to hold this on, to be honest. Let's look at the 30-minute time frame. Nice. 23 minutes left. Perfect timing. 8 minutes left of this 15. It should continue over here. Does the no bottom wick on the hourly concern you? No, not really. Doesn't concern me really. I'm happy. Come on, this 5 minute needs to close below. Come on, boy. So 7 minutes left of this candle. Perfect timing for the flip and the drive now. Should be goody. What the fuck? Now it's working. Okay, I'm in this trade now. Thank God. Okay, beautiful. So we will see over here. Hopefully we can get the nice drive down that we've been wanting. We've got the closure below. Come on, with a volume. And yeah, if it's a losing trade, if it's a winning trade, it's all good. We do it together. I really expected price to now start to flip. If this candle in 50 minutes time closes bullish, I will probably exit the trade. And soon, if we do exceed some highs of 5 minutes, I'm going to take off half and stuff like that. But yeah, beautiful. So, doesn't know concern you? No, it's all good. It's all good. US 30 over here coming. GBP AUD still continuing down over here. Wow. It's a madness. It's a madness. Still pumping like down pretty solidly over here. So there must be some really strong bearish new problems. Oh, I just remembered we have news. Fuck, I forgot about that. Still in 21 minutes. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. So we'll see over here. Oh, gold, look at that, rejecting them highs again. Oh my god, just ridiculous. Mad. It's mad, it's rejecting them highs. Thank you, United FOREX Germany, for not subscribing, for tagging me in Instagram. So yeah, as I said, guys, make sure to tag me in Instagram. So that'll really help me out over here. So this candle's got 5 minutes left. Come on. If this candle closes bullish, I may close 50% over here. The only thing I would be cautious about on GJ, that the last hourly close with no bottom wick. As Rakil used to say, there is less room for the candle to drive down. Yeah, very true. But I just think there's a lot of volume there now. There's a lot of bearish pressure. That's why it closed so bearish. Come on, flip down, you little pussy hole. And yeah, drive down, boy. You know you want to. You can feel it in your bones. So 19 minutes left. Not too bad. Not too bad over here. I'm looking at the 5 minutes. Looking nice. So now, guys, if we exceed the high of this 5 minute right here, I'm going to be closing off 50%. So 50% off at 155.10. 50% close at 155.10. So that means I've just minimized my risk beautifully. Because we shouldn't exceed this 5 minute now. I really don't want it to exceed. I want it to continue. Beautiful. So it should continue down over here. So you're managing my trade. So, you know, I got into this trade at this point. At 5 pips, I'm going to be taking off 50%. That's beautiful risk management. And that's all I'm thinking about, how to get out of the trade. I don't care where it goes. I'm not really too bothered about that. I'm talking about how to get out of this trade if it goes wrong. So with magic keys, I am literally ready to press this button when we come above to manage risk. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, fuck off. I just have magic keys, you nugget. There we go. Thinking, what the fuck? You need a license for this? I'm like, bro, I got a license. Okay, beautiful. So about 2 pips profit over here. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Should continue down. 2 minutes left. The only issue is the next 50 minute has to make a top wick. So hopefully we can just run off straight away, and that'll be beautiful for me. But we'll see over here. 30-minute time frame. Yeah, 17 minutes left. Should continue over here. Yeah. GJ just knows how to give trouble. Yes, sir. But yeah, you know, I'm always thinking about how I can manage the trade, how I can get out over here. And that's what I'm going to be doing. 65 views, 76 likes, man. If you've learned something today, make sure to subscribe and like the stream. It really does help out for growth, for helping me out. And if I provide something, then, you know, it's worth it. Look at the hourly. Come on now. Get this bitch down. So 2.7 because it's not pushing the way I want. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually put my stop loss to break even and then just take this break even trade. So I'm actually gonna do that. Stop loss to break even. Don't want it coming up anymore, to be honest. I want it to drive down because I know the top wick of the 15 is going to be, and I don't want to take any drawdown. Also, I wanted this 50-minute candle to push, so now this is a risk-free trade over here. Even though we're only in 3 pips profit, I don't want to take any drawdown. So I'm hoping that this price is going to push down. If not, it's going to be a break-even trade and we'll be good. And the reason why I did this is because the 15-minute is closing in 50 seconds time. It's going to make a top wick, and how much is that top wick going to be? It could be quite large. I don't want to take any drawdown. So, you know, using the timings to my advantage over here. I'm wanting the drive down. If I don't get the drive down, which I wanted, which is what I wanted before, then we have to manage risk, and I can just make a break-even trade. I can still hold this bitch on. So look at the 1 minute. I got a little bit of leeway. If this wants to drive down now, I'm going to be making fucking 10 pips break-even, which is beautiful. So yeah, stop loss to break-even, guys. So I move this red thing all the way here. Come on, boys. Bro, I'm too fucking good at this shit. Up 4 pips now, beautiful. Definitely stop loss to break even now, guys. Should continue down over here. Get that pump. Yeah, really, really solid trades over here, guys. So now 5 minutes closed below. We should continue, but the only issue is we're going to make a top wick. If this top wick hits us out, then tough luck. You know, we can't do anything about it. And this is how you manage a trade from start to finish. I've literally done the whole thing. GJ buys? I don't think GJ looked like a buy at the moment. If 50 minute goes weak bullish, next candle break is low, that would be beautiful. Yep, very true. But I also know volume drops off, so you know, it's coming towards where news is coming. So if you look over here, news is coming at 9:30. Therefore, it can give us some bad price action, some bit of volume, and yeah, all that kind of stuff. So we're coming down over here. Come on, get me to 10 pips, motherfucker. But I don't really mind now. Happy to break even trade over here. Very, very happy with that. Very, very happy with that. 70 viewers over here. Beautiful. Because I have already taken the note that, you know, this 15 minute has to make a top wick. You know, it has made a top wick, but is that going to be the high of it? I don't know. And that'll be the decider candle, basically. But on the 5 minute, we're looking good. When this 5 minute closes in 3 minutes time, I think we're going to be very, very good. So hopefully we can hold off until then, because we'll get another closure, and then we can have stop loss above the 5 minute if we want it. Whatever we want. But ran to about 6 pips there. Beautiful. You set your TP with 1 respect to 15 minute. You set your TP1 with respect to 15 minute. My TP1 is always 10 pips. TP1 is always 10 pips over here. Come on, boy. Do it for the Instagram. Ho, ho, ho! Come on, do it for the Instagram, boy.
Oh, 8 pips even.
7 pips, what 8 pips, what 8 pips over here, 8 pips, we go, to
9.
Can we get 9? Can we get 9? Can we go? Beautiful, guys. So, beautiful. Beautiful over here. So, oh, we hit it, boys.
Partial TP.
Partial TP. Let's go. Let's go. Easy stuff. Easy stuff. There we go, squad. And that's how you do it. That's how you do it. So managed from start to finish, you know, the stop loss, everything. So TP1 smashed, you know, beautiful, guys. So people who've joined the mentorship over here have eaten the past couple days. So beautiful. TP1 smashed. Beautiful, guys. So, you know, from start to finish, we managed our risk. We had we had 50% to take off. Beautiful. W, thanks, Max. No bother, no bother. As long as you learn as well, you know, not just taking the signals, not just watching me, learning how it works over here. And now we are just melting. Let's go. W's in the chat, boys. Right, spam them W's. I want everyone to go spam them W's for my Instagram post. Jeez, 14 pip trading GJ. We got W's in the chat as well. This is another winning day again. We've got a nice little runner on. Beautiful, amazing. And yeah, that's how you do it, guys. Very, very simple, very, very easy. We waited for candle closures. You know, that's what you do. Just do it every single day. Keep on repeating it. Another day of being London's W streamer, bro. I'm telling you. You know, I make it fun as well. Another W on stream. 15 pips on GJ. Let's go. And yeah, if you guys did enjoy the stream, thank you very, very much for coming. And now we have a nice little runner. And if this wants to run 15,000 miles, beautiful. That's what I'm wanting. If not, then, you know, my runner gets stopped out and I take a break even for the runner. So, you know, broke down, even though, look, so for example, you know, what I said before was, you know, people were like, oh, well, Max, you just missed the sell, so it doesn't have any more room. Well, no, we've got the closure on the hourly now. You know, we made the top wick. As long as we flip, we should be good over here. Didn't like how this candle didn't really push a lot, so therefore put my stop loss to break even. We were literally in 3 pips profit. Put stop loss to break even. And beautiful. Max, how come the last 30-minute candle with no bottom wick bother you? I don't care. That's what Raj just said. I don't care about no bottom wick. The no bottom wick I care about is when I'm in the trade, when I'm looking for a trade and it has no bottom wick. This candle closed, so I don't care. So let's go to OBS over here. Trades talked, trades taken. GJ plus GJ sells plus 15 pips. 15 pipperoonies. But you know, guys, you know, even though it feels good to take a winning trade, you know, when you take a losing trade, it should be the exact same feeling. That's what it should be. That's what it should be. It shouldn't be any kind of thing. So if you guys, please make sure you tag me on Instagram of like your winning trades. Tag me on Instagram, and I'll put them all on my stories. So make sure you do that. It helps me out. And yeah, so what time is it now? 9:20, so we know volume drops off. We also got news in 10 minutes, so we'll leave the stream now. We'll come back at NY. But if you guys enjoyed the stream, make sure to like it, guys. I really appreciate the support that you guys have given me. Make sure to like the stream. And yeah, guys, peace out. Thank you very much.
Yeah, it's time for gym.
Time for gym, yes, sir. See you later, my guy. Thank you.
See you later.
See you later. Bye-bye. See you later, everyone.